I received this cordless tiller cultivator as a gift, and I wanted to show how it performs and what I like about it. This model is compatible with Dewalt 20-volt max batteries, which is really convenient if you already use this platform for other tools. Since this is a tool only version, you just pop in your compatible battery and you're ready to go. It has a 9-inch tilling width and digs up to about 7 inches deep, which makes it a great size for garden beds, raised beds, flower beds, or smaller yard projects. It's powerful for its size, running at up to 360 RPM, and it does a good job loosening soil without needing a large gas-powered machine. One thing I really like is how lightweight and easy to handle it is. It's much easier to maneuver than a bulky tiller, especially in tighter spaces or around plants. Because it's cordless, you also don't have to deal with extension cords or fuel, which makes setup quick and simple. The rotating tines dig into the soil evenly, breaking up compacted dirt and making it easier to prep for planting. It's a nice balance between power and control, strong enough to get the job done, but not so aggressive that it feels hard to manage. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. It's compact, convenient, and practical, and it's a great option for maintaining garden beds without hauling out heavy equipment. If you're already using compatible 20-volt batteries, this makes a really handy addition to your gardening tools.